found the ultimate fix for this strap I bought so I could wear my glasses around my neck. And the strap kept coming off. Even though I roughed up top edge of the stem, it's still, after a day or so, it would eventually come off, which is frustrating. So I finally found the ultimate fix. I got this 1/4 inch tubing left over from a refrigerator project I did, and I'll tell you how long I've had this tubing. Instead of throwing it out, I kept it around. Probably can't see it here. Proud Home Depot, proud sponsors of the 1996 U.S. Olympics. Same bag I bought it in. 1996, I've had this. I never had a use for it. Now I got a use for it. This is 1/4 inch tubing, plastic. Of course, you may not have 1/4 inch tubing around, nor do you want to buy 25 feet of it, but find something similar. There's the tubing right there. I cut off a piece just about a 1/2 inch long and split it open with a utility knife and slid it over the end. Now it grips firm on both sides, and for 2 days now my strap for the glasses has not slipped off. And I like this because it's clear plastic and it's not as obtrusive looking on the side of your face. So 1/4 inch tubing, I don't know where you're going to find it, or maybe get a straw or something like that, but that did the trick. It holds it on there pretty good. Slides up to where the piece of plastic is, and then it holds, because this thing grips very good.